When I went to Paris a few years ago, I had the most amazing French beef stew. It's called Boeuf Bourguignon. I'm showing you my version, and you are gonna love it. So when I was in Paris, I've said it before, my husband and I was on a mission. And my husband and I were celebrating our 15th or 16th year anniversary. I can't remember which one, but I was on a mission to find the best beef bourguignon My husband and I went to a restaurant called Coupe Chou. It's just the most beautiful place, and it really set our expectations from walking into the place. And so you could just kind of tell walking into this place what the experience was going to be like. I ordered the beef bourguignon. My husband ordered a steak or something. And when my beef bourguignon arrived, the broth was so rich and intense. I had to ask the chef, how did he do it? It is apparently a 3-day cooking process. And I thought, yep, I can taste the time that they put into this. This is my version of that French beef stew, beef bourguignon that I had at Le Coupe Chou many years ago. And it really is not a recipe. It is a technique. Talked about that before. It's a method. I enjoy a slow day of cooking. For me, that could be a Friday afternoon. It can be a Saturday or a Sunday. And I just love being able to get into my kitchen, slow down, not look at a recipe, and just pedal around in there, figuring things out. And I think that while we taste and we watch and we mimic, a lot of learning how to be a better cook just really comes from you experiencing different things in your kitchen. One of the things that I really like to do is to just see if I can mimic something that I've eaten in a restaurant. Am I the only one that does that? Do you get excited when you can go into your kitchen, you know you have a ton of ingredients that you can play around with, and just see if you can mimic something that you've eaten before, or just see what kind of amazing dish you can come up with. Cooking for me is so stress relieving, but I have to say, there is nothing as stress relieving as spending time alone, appreciating the presence of God. And I can assure you, when you make an attempt to spend time alone with God, every distraction imaginable, every conceivable distraction will be thrown your way. But there is such great treasure in that time. You really should fight for it. So when I was in Paris, my husband and I were there together, but I did have to work a portion of the time that I was there. And on the days that I worked, I would have, maybe 30 or 45 minutes to steal away and grab a quick lunch. Well, things don't move quickly in Paris. So I would have to go to a restaurant in the convention center and enjoy a lunch. And I'm telling you, I had some of the best food I've ever eaten in my life in the convention center in Paris. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not. It really supports my channel. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you are making stews this season. If you have a favorite soup that you make, I want to hear all about it in the comment section. Let me inspire you here to make something amazing this weekend. This, after sitting in the fridge overnight, the broth was so incredible. I had to add something to this bowl to soak it up. I decided to use couscous because it's so super easy, and it was amazing. You can put this over anything. You can serve it by itself. I decided to put it over couscous though because I can't even. The broth was just so incredible. Look at that. I mean, you don't have to do that. You can eat it just like it is, and you will enjoy it just as much, I'm sure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have been inspired to make something cozy and warm and just get creative in your kitchen. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you will do so today. I appreciate you for being here. I will be praying for you, and I will see you soon.